Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to display an image file in our HTML page. It's a very simple and very easiest lecture for this, and all you have to know about to which tag you want to use to call the images which you have already saved. I'll show you how to from the scratch. See here within the div tag the content presentation area of our web page. Now let's see here, I'm removing this thing. See, making is then with the initiating of the tag img. This is the tag img, like a image tag in HTML5. And for this tag, when I initiated and if I press the tab there, see, by defaultly editor it is saying that source it is asking where you want to present the image and where the source of image is available in your computer system, it will ask you. That is the one thing I would like to explain you. See, I'm going to search for an image and I have to display in your HTML form. Before the HTML form is like this. Okay. Now we have a code to added image tag here, and I want to specify the source means where the image is available. That path we have to define here. Once we define the path of image where it is on running of image page like a HTML page, it is loaded and it will be find out the path of the image file like a PNG or JPG, and it will fetch and it will be displayed at HTML form. Let's see. I'm looking for an image. As of now, I don't have any images here. I'll go to Google, search for some oranges. Orange. Yeah, go to images. Yep. You come here and see the tools. Use usage rights label for reuse. This is the images you can absolutely use for in your websites and reusing for the purpose. There is a no limitation and there is a no we can call it as an like a mark. This is the image, you have to buy it. Such marks are not available for here. Okay, and this is the label I'm using for the reuse means I'm using this image. Right click and open in new tab. Now see, the image will opens here. Yes, now I'm saving this image to my project folder. Right click here, save image as. This is the option you have to take. Right click, save image as. Now see here, where is my project on the desktop? Web demo, my project folder. Under the project folder, there is a folder called images where I can save the images in this particular folder. Now I can rename this thing from web orange. Orange I'm specifying, and a save as type it is in a JPEG file type it is showing. If you want to make it as a PNG, you can make it as a dot extension. Let it be the same .jpeg. Save it. Yes, image is saved to my project folder. Now let's see here. You can specify the path. You find out web demo. It's my folder of a project folder. Under the images folder, it is saved as an orange.jpeg. All right. Now we can write this path like images only. We have to write. Why? Because within the web folder, our form is here. Welcome.html. See, this is the file like a HTML form. Welcome.html. So what I have to specify under the images, and I have to specify the name of the image this is the file name I can specify. That's it. It will called by the setting of the path. Now let's see here, images folder name / orange. This is only now. Let's see once again. Yeah, images orange dot the file name extension, it's must and should be it's required like JPG. the file type, which is the image, where it may be JPG, and PNG. The type of file extension should be there. Then only the source will automatically identify which type of image to be displayed there. Okay, that's it. I have specified the path where within the source attribute, we call it as an SRC, is a source attribute. Okay, within the image tag it's required. Now save this, refresh our page. This one, you see here. Wow, it's so called big, so called big. So we can set right for this width and height of the image, how it is, by making the attributes of weight. It should be like how much I can give, 500 px, and the height, yeah, to be 500 px. Let's save it and check with that. Once you specify the height and weight, just save it and refresh the page. You see how it is? Yeah, you make it as a 100% of view of your web page. Now it is a 90% and 100% it is showing. So we can try to reduce something like around, I can say that 250. Let's see how it is. Like products we are going to displaying, it will display, no? It's the same thing. Just see here how it is beautified, it is showing here. Very simple. Similarly, I would like to see you one more like image like Apple. Rights for reuse, this Apple, and yeah, the reuse images only you can use it in your computer system. Yes, which one? The first one only I can take it. Right click on the image and open in new tab. So this won't be disturb you, and it will become here like this in the new tab. Okay. Now take this image, save as. Similarly, you take like it's coming some other file, web EP file. So I'm leave it. This one I'm going to take some other one. Save as. Choose for instance of a PNG or JPG only you can choose. Okay. Apple. Within the folder name is web demo images. Save it. This is the file is Apple is PNG. Okay. Now take one more image tag, img tag. Source is images / apple.png, and width is 250 px. Yes, you can applying so called it is an I can simply say that by making the CSS cascading style sheet by applying this height and width, you can fix at a single place itself. Okay, once it is done the writing of the path of image path and all, you just come back, refresh. Now see here, apple here, orange here. That's it. How pretty it is, easy to displaying the images in your portal. If you want to make something like additional text and all, you can apply here like a bootstrap cards are there, and much more functionalities to presenting all the data. We'll see more and more in our next lectures. We'll see more and more in our next lectures. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.